one, fine. So today the wind actually cooperated. If we'd had this wind yesterday, we'd been sitting pretty.
It makes about $800 an acre
Really?
on rice. They can't afford damn $100,000.
Yeah, for one field or two fields.
Come right behind us, a big group of teal.
Yeah.
Right over Clayton.
Are they gonna land? Good God.
Y'all better go to the plug.
Well, if they'll ever come through in a front end. You seen them? Getting your earplugs in. You still see them?
Swing wide, back behind us, coming down the levee. Why don't y'all want to shoot these?
He ain't got a gun in his hand.
You gotta be able to swivel to kill them.
Here they come.
You ready? Oh, they swung that time. Damn, we could have killed some on that.
Y'all ain't gonna shoot them?
I'm ready when you are, Bob. You say shoot them. Just don't piss Clayton
I
off.
can't see them half the time. I got this.
Where'd
Until they're right on us.
Where'd they go, Bob? I'll go to the plug. You tempt me twice.
Alright, this time when they come straight in there.
All right. So when they swing back towards us.
Timber steak.
All right, this time? Is that what you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
I can't see them, but. Got one. Finally.
Two.
One's on the dang. Atta baby. Hey, we didn't get skunked today. Is that one dead, I guess?
Got one right here.
We only killed two out of all them.
I hammered the first. Ember, come.
So we got these two, is that it?
Here. Hold it.
No, bring that one to your daddy.
Here.
That one's alive still. Is that the
Hold.
second one? It must be the second one.
Hold. Fetch it up. Hold. Here.
That was fun though. Hell, when you got that many of them flying in your face.
You got two, huh?
I ain't here for. I ain't worried about my average. This ain't the NFL. I'm just here for a good time.
Well, Anthony and them. How accurate do you think these?
Hey, where was the call on that one, Bob? I can't see him.
Alrighty.
We gonna take him this time? Clayton, you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shoot. Shoot them bitches.
One.
Clayton, what happened? Clayton!
Two, but
You couldn't get that one right in your face.
I know. I shot too soon.
I like the countdown Bob did. 1, and then bam!
Oh.
You count was too fucking slow. You gotta count faster.
Well, I was trying to figure out which
1,
one I was for. I was trying to get far enough.
2. Hey.
Two.
Yeah, there's at least 2 out there.
No, douche. I think she got them both at one time.
I don't know. That's not proper training, but you know, whatever. What do you expect from untrained dogs? Is that all we killed was 2? Well, we're at 4.
Ember, fetch shit behind me. Come.
Are they gonna circle around?
Hey, fetch it up. Here. Here. Back. Fetch it up.
I'm
Hey,
always up for a good teal shoot.
Kennel.
And you have to drain that dehumidifier?
I piped it out through the wall and outside.
Mm. Well, if nothing else, we'll get a pretty picture today, boys.
Yeah. I can not get those sunglasses on.
Things didn't do anything for us today, but normally these things are pretty cool. Yeah, but when you don't have wind and you're in a shallow rice field and you can't get a jerk string, those are bad.